points. So in this video I would like to show you that how ALB work, that is application load balancer, and what exactly it is. Okay, so in this scenario, for example, we have already been working on the books API, right? So book service. So for example, we have already have that bookshop, right? That bookshop that has one service called book service, right? That has that API there, right? Now somebody is hitting get API at 10 a.m. that user 1 is hitting, hey, give me all the books whatever you have inside the bookshop at 10 a.m. User 2 is coming at the same time, okay, at 10 a.m. and trying to hit this one. What about multiple users like 10 a.m. or multiple user hitting that same get API? So what might happen is that this task will be crashed, saying that no, I don't have the capacity, that much capacity to handle those many requests. So how to resolve that particular problem? That will be resolved by application load balancer, and nothing much. Like this is like how you can distribute traffic intelligently using the application load balancer. You can achieve that one. So how application load balancer will resolve this problem is that, now if that user, for example, we have multiple user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, and dot 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 user n, they wanted to hit that API, right? So that will be going via the ALB first, and that ALB will be having responsibility to diverge the traffic on that service that has running that task 1, whatever the task that service is running on, that is a get service for the books, right? Now if this 1 and 2, this 1 and 2 service has that capacity, it will diverge that traffic to task 1. If multiple users are hitting in the same time, like for example 10 a.m. multiple users are hitting that one, it will replicate this task one more time. That is called auto scaling behind the scene, and then it will redirect that traffic to somewhere else. Okay, based on that one, it will, like, all the services will be available for all the users, and that's how we can maintain the traffic, and that's how we have to have ALB before our tasks. So in the next video, what I'm gonna do, we have created books and users services, right? I'm trying to attach one of the service, I'm trying to attach ALB to both services, let's say, and then we will see in the next video how we can hit that API, the URL, that is ALB URL, and like this, and try to get the same instance, whatever we want. We will hit the same URL but different path to get the different service. Okay, so the ALB will be having just one endpoint, and that will be redirected via the different service, I would say path parameter, something like that. We can do that one. So in the next video, we will attach the ALB to the multiple services in our existing ECS services. Let's see how it works.